What is happening with Onyxcoin XCN? Not much has been happening here. I mean, this has been one of the most boring charts that you could probably look at. To be honest with you, okay, because since this pump here back in the week of April 7th, not much has been happening. It's been on this just very boring downtrend, almost retracing that entire pump. That pump would have been, it would have been retraced if it comes down to about 0.85 cents, I would say, right? But right now it is, it's still got a little bit of way to go before that pump gets, retraced, right? So what could XCN be doing here? Okay. So let's take a look. This is the weekly time frame. Okay, this is the weekly time frame. If XCN actually comes all the way back up here to about 4.9 cents here, I mean that's a very long. That could seem like a very long way from here, but some of these altcoins can go up pretty quickly. Okay, if it actually comes all the way up here, that could form some type of a cup and handle pattern, because it probably still has a rounded bottom on a higher time frame, like the monthly time frame, right? And rounded bottoms usually form cup and handles. Now, but that's going to be a little further away. Okay, so let's just take it step by step. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame has been running with has broken out of this falling wedge pattern here, right? Back in July 7th, and since the breakout and hitting about 2 cents there, it has also formed a smaller falling wedge pattern, which looks like it's reaching almost the end of it, right? There could be a move coming. Now, the price target for this bigger falling wedge pattern is going to be about just right above 2.5 cents there. Okay, 2.6 cents. So let's see if XCN can get there, right? Because price targets are estimates only, and there could be more or less. Very much depends a lot on Bitcoin. Okay, I am long on Bitcoin. I am long on quite a bit of the altcoins here. So my opinion on this market is bullish, but these are just my opinions and not financial advice. And you should still do your own research. Okay. Now, so the price target is it's about over 2.5 cents. Now, XCN broke out of it. This is the daily time frame now, okay? Zooming in and trying to get more clarity on what could be happening. Broke out, also formed a smaller falling wedge pattern, okay? That breakout is still valid. It's not uncommon to see a breakout of a falling wedge pattern, and it forms another falling wedge pattern. But this breakout is still valid because the price action is still above this upper trend line of this falling wedge pattern it broke out of. Now, it is trying to get on top of a few of your daily moving averages, including your daily 21 SMA at about 1.1 cents, daily 50 SMA at about 1.3 cents, daily 200 at about almost 1.5 cents. Now, the breakout of this falling wedge pattern, if let's just say if it breaks out by this point here, the price target would be about 1.6 cents. Okay. Now, falling wedges, even though they have a higher chance of breaking to the upside, they still have a smaller chance of breaking to the downside. So you might want to mind that downside risk as well. Okay, if you hold XCN. So this is basically what I'm seeing for XCN. Let's see if I can actually break out of this falling wedge pattern here, and run towards its price target. Otherwise, I'm gonna bring you guys more updates on XCN if enough of you guys want to see it. So if you guys do want to continue seeing any more of XCN, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, or any other coins in this market, and I'll pick a request to do for you guys on a daily basis.